Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So in today's video, as you've seen by the title, we are doing a hair review, and Sunberhair sent me email, guys. Like, I'm really excited. So this is the packaging. This is what it came in like. I'm not sure you can see properly, but this is the box that it came in. So okay, I don't know what I think this is shower cap. Let me just open it up. I don't know. It came with this thing right here, and then it's their body wave. So they gave me different inches, which Lena 26 inch, I've got 26 inch, I've got 20. Let me see. I don't remember what I had ordered. So okay, the closure is 20 inch, nah? And then this is 26 inch. So I just wanted to show you guys like the quality. Look at that. This is the hair. This is their body wave. And then they sent me 3 bundles now. So I have to make a wig first. And then I'll show you guys a clip of me making the actual wig. And then this is the 24. So it's 24, 26, and 28. Look at that. I'm so excited, like I'm super excited. So I'm gonna list down the details for you guys below with video in the description box. And this is 28 inch. Is it really? I think I mixed up the things actually, because this looks shorter. I had opened it before, like just to try and see what's going on. So this is their hair. Look at that. How beautiful is this hair, you guys? Like, the quality is amazing. As you can see by the texture of the hair also, like, it is amazing. And it's gonna be on my head. So if you guys are interested in ordering this hair, I'll link the details down below. And also I've actually been receiving a positive feedback with there's people that actually bought. I didn't think you guys were serious when you said you're gonna buy. So when I was actually go Instagram and stuff, there's this other girl, a couple of girls actually that DM'd me saying that they bought the hair and stuff. I'm like, oh guys, are you serious? Are you really serious when you're saying you're gonna buy? So this is the thing, closure corner. It's just a normal closure. It's not parted or anything like that. This is how it looks like. And this is the 20 inch. So right now I'm going to do a wig. It's going to be a quick one. I'm not going to get into too much detail with the wig, but if you are interested in seeing me make a wig, I can do that for you guys. But with this video in particular, it's going to be really short. It's going to be really short, because you know what, I don't have time to be making wig. Takes forever, guys. It takes me like probably 2.5 hours or like 3 hours to make. So I'm not trying to film the whole thing and all of that. I'll just show you like the basic stuff, and then from then onwards I'll show you the final results of the hair. So this is the hair. This is Sunberhair. I'm super excited. I'm really excited. So yeah, let's get into the video. Let me try and make this wig, and then I'll show you guys the final results of how the hair looks like. But I'm obsessed with this. Like, as you guys can see, like, the quality is everything. Like, it's amazing. It's amazing. Let's get into the video of not get into the video. Let's make the wig. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so right now. And also like and comment down below, and also just click on the notification bell so that you'll be notified every time I post a video. And what else? Yeah, subscribe, guys. And subscribe, like, please. Can we get to 3K subscribers, or like 10? I know I'm pushing it by saying 10, but like 3K at least. So this is the wig after the whole process. So right, I'm so happy. I can't believe the volume is amazing. When I use this Revlon Flex gel, this thing works like, guys, like it holds, hey? Like it is the Revlon Flex Maxi Extreme Hold Styling Gel. Like it holds for hours. Like I literally have to put amanzi to like remove it when I'm wearing like a thingy, a frontal. It's so hot. It is so hot. So right now I'm just gonna put a bit on the thingy on the edge. You see the lace there is showing a bit. So I'm just gonna be putting here in the corners and also try and make my edges look decent. So this is the hair. Like I'm obsessed with it. And simply, guys. Ooh, can I tell you guys a story now? So I was in town. So as I'm working, Joburg CBD. Joburg CBD is the pits. It's the worst place to be at if you are a lady. Actually, even guys, but like, I feel like for girls it's worse. So I was there and stuff. It's late at night, and so as I'm walking, like I'm looking down. Like I think I was looking down. This guy comes up. There's people around there, mind you. There's people around. Comes up, and I didn't even can I tell you, I didn't even see his face. Like everything just happened so fast. He comes up to me and he snatches my wig. And I was just like, well, he tried snatching my wig because it didn't come off. You know why? Because of this thing, right? I know that I feel like this is like an ad, like, and it's not an ad, but like whenever you put on your wig, guys, can you please just buy this thing? It's like 40 rand at discount. 40, not 40 rand, 46 rand, 45 rand, around there. It sticks like glue. It sticks like glue, and it's very, very affordable. So what I did, and normally when I go to work, I don't put it, but that day I put it. I applied the gel. I was just like, okay, let me just put the gel and stuff and hold my wig tight. Because that night was the worst. That guy tried snatching my wig. He tried snatching it and it didn't come off at all. And I looked back and the guy didn't even look back. Everything happened so fast. I didn't even see his face. I did not see his face, and everyone around was looking. And I'm sure he was like shook, like, what the hell, this girl, what did she put? Because I'm sure he's obviously used to just snatching a girl's wig and just running off and stuff. But when it came to me, it was like, really? And he snatched it so hard. He snatched it really hard and it did not come off. So this thing really works. Actually, let me stop talking about the gel. Let's talk about my hair. Like, let's talk about this hair. I really like how this hair turned out. This is the Malaysian. This is the body wave. I got this from Sunberhair. So if you guys are interested in purchasing it, and same, I'm so excited. Like, I'm so excited. If you guys are interested in purchasing this hair, I will list the details down below, and also you can check them out on their. They've got Instagram, and they're also on YouTube. So on Instagram they are Sunberhair _ Aliexpress. So if you're interested in buying this hair, please just hit them up. I think this hair is amazing. Look at it. This is their body wave, and I think it looks absolutely stunning. What else? And I hope you guys like this video. I'm done. Like, I hope you guys like this video, and if you do, please give it a thumbs up and comment down below on what other looks you would like to see. And I feel like I've been doing a lot of wig reviews, but it's fine. I think you guys are enjoying them and you guys are buying. Thank you guys so much. What else? Can you guys please subscribe to my channel? Please, can we get to, like, I don't know, 3K, guys? Like, we've been sitting on 2 point something subscribers. Can you get to 2K? Thanks. So if you're interested in purchasing this hair, please check out the details in the description box. I've listed everything down there for you guys. I've listed the Instagram handle. I've listed their store on Aliexpress. I've got links and links, so check it out if you're interested in buying. And also I'll be having like more reviews on my stories for Instagram. Yeah, bye guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. I enjoyed filming it for you guys. I feel like I'm talking a lot these days. Like I'm talking really a lot.